Darth Jar is real and he's crashing Fortnite. The Galactic Battle Season drops May 2nd with Star Wars chaos. Ready to rule the galaxy? What's good, gamers? Welcome back to GadInsider. Fortnite's teaming up with Star Wars for its wildest crossover yet, the Galactic Battle Season. Launching May 2nd, 2025. Think Darth Jar Jar, X-Wings, and a Star Wars Battle Pass. Let's dive into this epic adventure. Fortnite's Galactic Battle's a 5-week Star Wars extravaganza. Starting on May 2nd, you'll pilot X-Wings and TIE fighters, zap enemies with force lighting, and explore themed map locations like Tatooine. The star? Darth Jar Jar, the fan theory Gungan turned Sith voiced by Ahmed Beast, who even ad-libbed "I am the Phantom Menace" for the game. You'll also unlock skins like Emperor Palpatine, Mace Windu, and the hilarious Wookiee Cuddle Team Leader through the Star Wars Battle Pass using V-Bucks. This is Fortnite's biggest Star Wars collab yet, topping past crossovers with Rey and Darth Vader. This season unfolds over 5 weeks with new gameplay every Thursday. May 2nd kicks off with Imperial Takeover, followed by the Pull of the Force on May 8th. Mandalorian Rising hits May 22nd, Star Destroyer Bombardment on May 29th, and it all wraps with Death Star Sabotage on June 7th, a live narrative event where you'll take down the Death Star. Spec surprises like a customizable Mandalorian skin and maybe even lightsabers returning as per leaks. It's a wild ride from start to finish. Why is this season dope? It's not just skins, it's a full Star Wars takeover. Sources are calling it Fortnite's most expensive Star Wars event, and X is buzzing with hype for Darth Jar Jar's Sith lighting. Whether you're a Star Wars nerd or a Fortnite pro, piloting starfighters and unlocking characters like Palpatine is next level fun. Plus, it drops just before Star Wars Day on May 4th, so expect Epic to bring back classics like Chewbacca or Leia in the item shop. How do you prep? Stock up on V-Bucks for the Battle Pass and item shop skins. Follow Fortnite and Star Wars on X for last-minute teasers. Leaks say we might see Luke Skywalker or Qui-Gon Jinn. Mark May 2nd on your calendar and get ready to drop into the galaxy far, far away. This 37-day mini-season is gonna be short but intense.